KCI Group of Companies has long been at the forefront of transforming Indian agriculture by introducing world-class mechanization to the farming community. Its innovations have significantly reduced physical labor, saved valuable time, and improved the accuracy of critical farming operations. Over the years, KCI has played a pivotal role in raising agricultural standards and easing the challenges farmers have faced for generations. With a strong legacy of 30 years, KCI Group manufactures more than 150 types of agricultural tools. Under its umbrella operate two powerful entities, Varsha Shinre and Cyphro. Varsha Shinre is India's second largest manufacturer of power weeders, brush cutters and self-propelled agricultural machines. Cyphro, aerial intelligence for a greener tomorrow. Cyphro, an agri-tech startup founded in 2023 by young entrepreneurs Rishi Vasant and Arvind, represents the new era of innovation within the KCI Group.
Welcome to KCI Group of Companies. In KCI Group of Companies, we have three brands. One is KCI, then is Varsha, then third is Syfero Synergetics Drone Solutions. In KCI is a 30-year-old company with expertise in manufacturing of agriculture machineries. Starting from sowing to harvesting, we have a complete ranges from 150 plus products. The second company, Varsha Agromech Engineering Private Limited, we are into completely of power weeders, brush cutters, gas and engine operated agriculture equipments, and that works in a principle one man, one machine and many applications. Third is the Syfero Synergetics Drone Solutions Private Limited, which is an agri-tech startup, and it is completely based on drones, IoT and smart agricultural solutions. In that, we are proud to tell that we have two model DGCA type certified. The first model is Beta 610, which was type certified last year, and this year we have reached a remarkable success with India's first 20-liter drone, Cyphro drone. This is India's first 20-liter drone in agri segment, and we also have two more models in the pipeline. More than being an agricultural drone manufacturer, we are also focusing more on drone component manufacture. We are aligned with the vision and mission of our Prime Minister.
In a short span, Cyphro has emerged as one of India's leading manufacturers of agricultural and defense drones and drone components, powered by a young, energetic and creative team. Drones today are revolutionary, not just in modern farming, but also in national security and surveillance. Cyphro's agricultural drones help farmers monitor crop health, detect early pest and nutrient issues, and perform precision spraying with reduced chemical usage and enhanced safety. In addition, Cyphro's expertise in drone technology contributes to strengthening India's defense capabilities by supporting advanced border surveillance.
We started our production earlier in propellers. We have done 2480, 3011, 3411 propellers. Till now, we have invested more than 20 molds. We have designed and invested in 20 molds, which are into complete bulk injection molding. We also have a very good R&D team, design team, production team, and sales and after sales team also. So with their support, we have completed all models of propellers which are used for agri drones currently, and we are also working on defense drone components now. Then we have started with our main important project is lithium battery project. So our brand name is Thunderbolt. We not only manufacture batteries in our brand, we also do white labeling or contract manufacturing of batteries to all other drone manufacturers also. So we are also producing a propulsion system with a drive in our brand. We are also supplying the propulsion system with the drives to other drone manufacturers in their own brand names.
Cyphro aims to expand its presence across multiple domains. Its R&D team is constantly ready to innovate and develop drone components based on emerging industry requirements, delivering these solutions at economical prices while maintaining international quality standards. Cyphro is the pioneer in offering warranty on all its drone components. It is also proud to have introduced India's first DGCA-certified 20-litre agricultural drone, with 2 more products in the pipeline awaiting certification. The company's core strength lies in delivering scalable, reliable and economically viable drones and components. With high-quality outputs and a strong nationwide service network.
Why Syfero? Me coming from a farming background, me being a farmer, me who studied agriculture, want to give back something for the agricultural fraternity. That's why the spark got into us. Welcome to Cyphro. Here we not only manufacture the drones, we craft it. We mainly understand the pulse and the requirement of the farming ecosystem and develop products to suit their requirements. We not only create products, we adapt ecosystem. We manufacture our components keeping not only quality at its peak, also the price point at its peak. We choose such kind of expertise in manufacturing along with its material grade. What makes us different from the other manufacturers? We study the psychology of the requirement that the farmer face really in the field. We being from farming background can catch the pulse of the farmers, and we craft each and every machineries with perfection so that it never faces a single day outrage in the fields.
Cyphro is a fast-growing startup making a significant mark in the drone manufacturing sector. Today, Syfero stands tall as a top manufacturer of drone accessories and more. Built on strong financial stability, total quality management principles and a diverse product portfolio and a highly experienced R&D team, Syfero continues to earn the trust of farmers and industry partners through transparent business practices and a customer-first approach. Why choose Syfero? Syfero is recognized for 100% made in India drone components, wide and robust distribution network, strong and growing market presence, international grade product standards, customer-centric philosophy, competitive and accessible pricing. Syfero's product portfolio: 1. Propulsion system, rotor with ESC. 2. LiPo batteries, 22,000 mAh, 6S and 14S soft pack, 30,000 mAh, 6S, 12S and 14S soft pack. 3. 2480 propeller. 4. 3011 propeller. 5. 3411 propeller. 6. Arm folding joint. 7. Arm folding joint holder cap. 8. Fixed seat. 9. Nozzle holder for pressure nozzle and Y-type nozzle. 10. Aluminium landing gear. With its strong legacy, innovative mindset and unwavering commitment to quality.
We are first in India to make all the drone frame components in-house in India. We are first in India to make the heaviest type certified drone to roar in the skies of India. This is the company which is fulfilling the dreams of the nation and our Prime Minister by focusing a nation-centric approach of making all components in India with quality and with mass producing capabilities at its peak.
Syfero continues to empower farmers with dependable, modern and affordable drone-based agricultural solutions, while simultaneously supporting the evolving needs of the defense sector. By blending advanced mechanization with cutting-edge drone technology, Syfero is transforming farming efficiency and strengthening national security.
In India, we have 160 million hectare of agricultural land. So we can just calculate the how much area need to be sprayed during the cultivation process. So our dream and mission is that, dream, vision, mission, everything is that. So we wanted a layman, a farmer to use the drone effectively and get the maximum benefits out of it. Today we are focusing drones only for agriculture, but in future the same drones will be used in the defense, will be used for surveillance, in the logistics, in the delivery, in all other things. So we are not only promoting or selling our drones, we are also educating the farmers, educating the youngsters towards the drone technology. So this technology and this ecosystem will make our nation developed nation soon.
Cyphro remains steadfast in its mission, supporting farmers and defense, strengthening agriculture and national security, and building a better tomorrow. Cyphro, aerial intelligence for a greener tomorrow. Codicea Industrial Park Limited, plot number 54, Mupperipalayam, Vagarayam Palayam, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Website www.cyphro.in.